Everything you need to know about custom carbide tool grinding. If you're in the manufacturing industry, you know that precision cutting tools are essential for achieving the best results. Whether you're cutting metal, wood, or other materials, having the right tool can make all the difference in the quality and efficiency of your manufacturing process. That's where custom carbide tool grinding comes in. What is custom carbide tool grinding? Custom carbide tool grinding is the process of creating precision cutting tools that are specifically designed to meet the needs of a particular manufacturing process. The process involves using advanced machinery and equipment to shape and sharpen carbide cutting tools to the exact specifications required by the manufacturer. Carbide is a popular material for cutting tools due to its exceptional hardness and resistance to wear and tear. This makes it ideal for use in a range of industrial applications, including metalworking, woodworking, and aerospace engineering. The benefits of custom carbide tool grinding. There are several benefits to using custom carbide tool grinding in your manufacturing process. 1. Improved precision and accuracy. Custom carbide tool grinding ensures that tools are manufactured to exact specifications, leading to greater precision and accuracy in manufacturing processes. This can help reduce waste and improve product quality. 1. Increased durability and wear resistance. Carbide is an exceptionally hard and durable material, making it ideal for use in cutting tools that are subjected to high levels of wear and tear. Custom carbide tool grinding can help create tools that are more durable and have a longer lifespan, reducing the need for frequent tool replacements. 1. Reduced manufacturing costs. Custom carbide tool grinding can help reduce manufacturing costs by improving productivity and efficiency. By creating tools that are specifically designed for a particular manufacturing process, businesses can optimize their processes and reduce the need for costly tool replacements. 1. Enhanced productivity and efficiency. Custom carbide tool grinding can help businesses optimize their manufacturing processes by providing tools that are specifically designed to meet their needs. By using tools that are specifically designed for a particular application, businesses can improve productivity and efficiency, ultimately leading to better results and higher profits. How custom carbide tool grinding works. Custom carbide tool grinding involves several steps, including the grinding process, precision tool design, and the use of advanced machinery and equipment. The grinding process. The grinding process involves using specialized machinery to shape and sharpen carbide cutting tools. This process can involve several steps, including rough grinding, finish grinding, and honing. Precision tool design. Before the grinding process begins, precision tool design is necessary. This involves creating a design for the cutting tool that meets the exact specifications required for the manufacturing process. Advanced machinery and equipment. Custom carbide tool grinding requires the use of advanced machinery and equipment, including CNC grinding machines, EDM machines, and other specialized tools. These machines are capable of creating cutting tools with extremely high precision and accuracy. The types of carbide cutting tools available. There are several types of carbide cutting tools available, each designed for a particular application. Some of the most common types of carbide cutting tools include 1. End mills, used for milling operations in a range of materials, including aluminum, steel, and titanium. 2. Drills, used for drilling holes in a range of materials, including metals, plastics, and composites. 3. Reamers, used for finishing and sizing holes that have already been drilled. 4. Burrs, used for deburring, shaping, and finishing metal surfaces. 5. Inserts, used for a range of cutting operations, including turning, milling, and drilling. Choosing the right carbide tool for your application. Choosing the right carbide tool for your application involves several factors, including understanding your manufacturing process, considering the material being cut, selecting the right tool coating, and determining the cutting speed and feed rate. Understanding your manufacturing process. To choose the right carbide tool for your application, you need to have a good understanding of your manufacturing process. This includes understanding the types of materials you'll be cutting, the desired finish, and the tolerances required. Considering the material being cut. Different carbide cutting tools are designed for use with different materials. For example, a carbide end mill that is designed for use with aluminum may not be suitable for cutting steel. It's important to choose the right tool for the material being cut to ensure optimal performance and long tool life. Selecting the right tool coating. Carbide cutting tools are often coated with a layer of material that helps to increase their wear resistance and extend their lifespan. Common tool coatings include titanium nitride, tin, titanium carbonitride, titanium 1 cyanide, and aluminum oxide, aluminium oxide. The right coating for your tool will depend on the material being cut and the conditions of your manufacturing process. Determining the cutting speed and feed rate. The cutting speed and feed rate are important factors to consider when choosing a carbide cutting tool. The cutting speed refers to the speed at which the cutting tool is moving, while the feed rate refers to the speed at which the material being cut is moving. It's important to choose a cutting speed and feed rate that are appropriate for the material being cut to ensure optimal performance and avoid premature tool wear. How to maintain your carbide cutting tools. To ensure that your carbide cutting tools perform at their best and last as long as possible, it's important to follow proper maintenance procedures. This includes regular cleaning and inspection, proper storage and handling, and re-sharpening and recoating when necessary. Regular cleaning and inspection. Carbide cutting tools should be regularly cleaned and inspected to ensure that they are free from debris and damage. Tools should be cleaned with a soft bristled brush and a mild solvent, and inspected for signs of wear or damage. Proper storage and handling. Carbide cutting tools should be stored in a dry, clean environment to avoid moisture and contamination. They should also be handled carefully to avoid damage to the cutting edges. Re-sharpening and recoating. Carbide cutting tools can be re-sharpened and recoated when necessary to extend their lifespan. Re-sharpening involves re-grinding the cutting edges to restore their sharpness, while recoating involves applying a new layer of tool coating to improve wear resistance. Frequently asked questions about custom carbide tool grinding. What is carbide? Carbide is a compound that is made up of carbon and a metal or metalloid, such as tungsten, titanium, or silicon. Why is carbide used for cutting tools? Carbide is used for cutting tools due to its exceptional hardness and wear resistance. What is the difference between carbide and high-speed steel? Carbide is a harder and more wear-resistant material than high-speed steel, making it ideal for cutting tools that are subjected to high levels of wear and tear. How do I choose the right carbide cutting tool for my application? To choose the right carbide cutting tool for your application, you need to consider factors such as the material being cut, the desired finish, and the tolerances required. How often should I sharpen my carbide cutting tools? The frequency of sharpening will depend on factors such as the material being cut, the cutting speed and feed rate, and the quality of the tool coating. Generally, carbide cutting tools can be sharpened several times before they need to be replaced. Can carbide cutting tools be recoated? Yes, carbide cutting tools can be recoated when the original coating begins to wear off. This can help extend the lifespan of the tool and improve its wear resistance. Carbide tool grinding is essential. Custom carbide tool grinding is an essential part of the manufacturing process for many businesses. By creating precision cutting tools that are specifically designed to meet the needs of a particular application, businesses can improve efficiency, productivity, and quality, while reducing costs and waste. When choosing carbide cutting tools, it's important to consider factors such as the material being cut, the desired finish, and the tolerances required, and to follow proper maintenance procedures to ensure that tools perform at their best and last as long as possible. Reach out to Berkness Company today to get your custom quote for carbide tool grinding. Thanks for watching.